Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to a new video. It is Saturday morning right now, and we are at my office. I just came here to pick up my camera and some other stuff. Car's nice and clean. I went to the track a couple days ago. Beautiful morning right now. Let's not waste any time. Let's go. What's up, homie?
What's up, man?
How are you, man?
I'm good.
Color, it's like Nardo and chalk put together, which I'm a really big fan of, and the Y-Sec wheels on it. I think if you're going to get a Porsche of any sort, that you always want to get a Y-Sec package, just because you get the carbon, you get the wheels. So I just saw the Pandem Corvette, which I've only seen online. I really want to see this. Looks crazy. So like I've said about a lot about these Corvettes, I was not sure at first when I saw maybe like the first 2 or 3 kits. I know TJ Hunt came out with the Street Hunter kit, which looks really good, but this Pandem kit, I'm really into like JDM style cars, so seeing a Corvette like this, it just changes the whole game. Yeah. Damn, that looks crazy. I've only seen photos of it. So there's a lot of different kits that people are running on these cars, and I've only seen the pictures online. This thing is absolutely slim. This is a new F8 Tributo. I've seen a lot of these getting modified online. It's a really good looking car. What's up, brother? You too, brother. Nice meeting you. So this color, man, it keeps popping up. I think that this is probably one of the best factory colors on a Porsche. I've seen it on a GT2 RS, GT3 RS, normal GT3, and no matter what, they always look good. The body lines, it just suits the color really well.
Is he down? Come down, or you?
Wow.
I've seen him down here.
this is like the main parking lot, and then a bunch of cars parked everywhere. This is like import stuff. I noticed an M4 back here, and it's on BBS's. Wow. So M4 GTS. On E88s.
Well, that's when the misdemeanors come involved. And the 30-day impound that comes with it too. But I fight. Jack Hartman, yeah, exactly. Come on, man. All my clients built my cars, okay, man.
So with this M4 GTS, obviously my build is something that I want to replicate with this. E88s, the front lip, everything. And this M4 pretty much has everything on it. It's actually a real GTS. They have, I believe it's the factory race wing from a 2 Series race car. And of course the proper E88s. A lot of camber up front too, running the Yokohama A052s, which I've ran on the track before. One of the best tires that you can get. Really super nice spec. I'm obsessed with this. I can't get enough. I think M4 GTS, E88s, the A052s on it, sparkle seats. This is gold. This is how I want to build my car. Exactly like that.
Oh, I take the BBS, I take the headlights, the hood, I take the car. I take the right? You doing so different, bro, literally. BBS,
I feel like these RS6s are everywhere. Once again, this Nardo gray color pretty much looks amazing on any single car. One of my favorite things about the 675 LT would be these seats. They're, I believe, the P1 seats, which look super sick. I don't know about the wheels, but
I mean, if I sell it, this is the most people I've ever seen.
beautiful car.
Thank you.
It's a great spec. I don't know if you guys noticed, but that interior was orange. It was matte black with red stripes. I wasn't sure at first about it, but I actually really like it. Oh, not to mention, it's my old car. My old E92. That's Sam's car. I didn't even see this. Once again, Nardo gray on any car always completes the look. So judging by those tires, I'm assuming this Skyline probably makes a little bit of power. Okay, that's probably why right there. Probably spins the tires just a little bit. This, on these wheels, it's deep dish wheels on bags. Definitely good props to this guy for this build. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know that, and TikTok, I posted this car driving down Jamboree, and he was right next to me, and he just got the car back from getting modifications, and he floored it in front of me, and I freaked out. And it looks like he has a full camber adjustment on it based off of the front wheel right here. So ultimate track car. This is like the goal one day. I believe this is Ryan's car, and he's on the RT88s. This thing is absolutely slammed. Thing's a freaking beast. What's up, man? What's up, brother? I know, dude. It's been a while.
I know. How you been?
Just making videos.
That's awesome.
Yeah. How about you?
Busy as all hell. Working on some, car project stuff with some friends, but yeah.
It's good, man. Yeah, I'm glad to see us in person. I've seen it all over the internet.
What do you think of it?
It's amazing.
Not bad, right?
It looks really good. All right, man.
That's a hell of a compliment coming from you.
Oh yeah, of course, brother.
How you been, man? And this is new, right?
So good, man.
Hey, thank you.
Of course. Hey, can you air out if we stop? Thanks, bro. All right, man. Have a good one. See ya. Nice car, man.